Hello, welcome to ForecastCity. In this video, you can see how you can easily install the ForecastFollow software on your MetaTrader. To download ForecastFollow, first enter the ForecastCity website and click on the red link of ForecastFollow on the right side of the main menu. The main page of ForecastFollow provides you with complete information about the features and benefits of this artificial intelligence. We recommend that you read this page completely first. By clicking on Download and Install, you will enter the download page. Two easy and professional installation methods can be seen on this page. Professional installation is for people who have experience installing experts in MetaTrader. In this video, we do the easy installation method together. Click on Download Installer to download it. If MetaTrader is running in your Windows, close it. By running the downloaded file in some Windows, you will see this window. This window is displayed by Microsoft Defender. Click on More Info and then on Run Anyway. The installation of ForecastFollow will start. Click Next. To use the ForecastFollow software, you must first subscribe to the ForecastCity website. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can subscribe for free by clicking subscribe. If you haven't seen the video MetaTrader free subscription and account registration in ForecastCity, stop this video, watch that video first and come back here again. The link is here. Don't forget to get a free one-day subscription. Enter the email address or username and password you chose to enter the site. This page shows you the list of all MetaTraders that you installed on your computer. ForecastFollow will be automatically installed in all these MetaTraders. Click Install to start the installation process. Just like that, ForecastFollow was installed on all your MetaTraders. But installing ForecastFollow on MetaTrader is not enough to run it. You must have entered your MetaTrader account number on the site. After the installation process of ForecastFollow is finished, by running MetaTrader, the profile of ForecastFollow can be seen automatically. This profile includes 4 charts of Euro-Dollar, Pound-Dollar, Bitcoin and Ethereum. As you can see, ForecastFollow is running in all of them and all technical analysis lines and price movement forecasts are updated in these charts. If your MetaTrader does not automatically load the ForecastFollow profile, you can select it from the list of profiles here. Now you can go back to your default MetaTrader profile and open any chart you like. For example, we open the pound chart and double-click on the ForecastFollow from the Experts part of the Navigator window. Enter the username or email and password of your account on the site in the Input tab. For more convenience, we have saved this information in the file forecastfollow.set. You can load your username and password by clicking on Load and selecting this file. Done, ForecastFollow has loaded the technical analysis and trading ideas of the pound from its servers and displayed it on your chart. Click on the shift chart to see lines forecasting future price movements and trading ideas. You can also change the amount of chart shift by dragging the small triangle above the chart. Remove the grid from the chart so that support and resistance lines can be seen better. So that you don't want to do all these settings in the future, you can save these settings by right-clicking and saving the template. We call it MyFF. Now we open a new chart. For example, Euro, and right-click and load template, we select our own MyFF template. So easily. If you like, you can use the very clean template with professional color combination that we have prepared for you. Select right-click, load the template, and ForecastFollow template. In this simple way, we can see all the technical analysis and trading ideas of Euro in different time frames: monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and even 5 minutes. The next video will be a quick tour of the features and benefits of using the ForecastFollow software. Don't miss it. If you want to be informed about the upload of our next educational videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell next to it. Don't forget to like and comment on the video.